In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Lyft payment method failed. Now, if you're having this issue, there could be two cases to this. It could be a common cause, or it also could be the issue of the application of Lyft. In the first case, and if it is a common issue or a common cause, then what you need to first of all try out is try to check if the card details that you've entered in are correct, as well as if you enter in your correct billing as well as the zip code. If you added in this information incorrectly, you will likely get this error message. Also, make sure that you have sufficient funds on your account that is linked with your Lyft account, as well as check the expiry date of your cards. If this is not the case for you and it is not a common cause, it may be the cause of the application. So in this case, what you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Lyft from your device. So what I simply mean by that is make sure you uninstall it and then again re-download it. If any sort of bugs were causing this issue, it would be immediately fixed. So by following these few steps, you'd be able to fix the Lyft payment method failed error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.